A step-by-step guide to Santander Remortgage begins with understanding what remortgaging is and how it works. Remortgaging involves switching your current mortgage to a new deal, either with your existing lender or a new one, to take advantage of better interest rates or terms. To start the process with Santander, you should first review your current mortgage deal and check if you are eligible for a remortgage. You can do this by contacting Santander directly or using a mortgage broker. Next, you will need to gather all the necessary documents, including proof of income, identification, and details of your current mortgage. It is essential to have these documents ready to avoid any delays in the application process. Now, you can apply for a Santander Remortgage online, over the phone, or in a branch. You will need to provide your personal and financial details, as well as information about your property and current mortgage. Once you have submitted your application, Santander will assess your eligibility and provide you with a quote. If you are happy with the quote, you can proceed with the application and Santander will arrange for a valuation of your property. After the valuation, Santander will finalize your remortgage deal and send you a mortgage offer. It is crucial to carefully read and understand the terms and conditions of the offer before accepting it. Finally, once you have accepted the mortgage offer, Santander will complete the remortgage and transfer the funds to your current lender. It is essential to keep track of the progress and ensure a smooth transition. Throughout the process, it is recommended to seek advice from a mortgage broker or financial advisor to ensure you are getting the best deal possible. Additionally, always read and understand the terms and conditions of your new mortgage deal before accepting it. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can successfully remortgage with Santander and take advantage of better interest rates or terms. Remember to stay informed and seek professional advice to ensure the best outcome for your financial situation.